Все остается в силе. Did you know this expression? It's a fixed expression which means that everything stays the same as it was supposed to be, as it was planned previously. And let me give you one example. So for instance, you've scheduled to have a meeting with your friend and then you message him because you want to make sure that nothing has changed and he still is gonna meet you. So you can say something like «Так что, на завтра все в силе?» Так что, на завтра все в силе? Like, so hey, tomorrow we're gonna meet up, nothing has changed, right? Second, то, что ты сказал, все еще в силе. То, что ты сказал, все еще в силе. So, the thing that you have said, is it still on? Like, is this offer still available? То, что ты сказал, все еще в силе. The last example for today, guys. So let's say you're talking with someone and that person doesn't want to accept your terms. And you can tell him, в любом случае, мое предложение остается в силе. В любом случае, мое предложение остается в силе. So, anyways, in case you change your mind, you can still come to me because my offer is gonna be the same. It's not gonna change. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, put a thumb up, and we'll see each other next time, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.